Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the PS4 too many USB devices connected error.
Fix 1. Disconnect extra USB devices. Step 1. Turn off your PS4. Step 2. Unplug all USB devices except the controller. Step 3. Turn on the PS4 and check if the error disappears. Fix 2. Use a different USB port. Step 1. Plug your controller or device into another USB port on the PS4. Step 2. Avoid using USB hubs or extension cables. Step 3. Test if the device works without the error. Fix 3. Check for faulty USB devices. Step 1. Disconnect all devices. Step 2. Connect devices one by one to identify the faulty one. Step 3. Replace or stop using the device causing the error. Fix 4. Power cycle your PS4. Step 1. Turn off the PS4 completely. Step 2. Unplug the power cord for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Plug it back in, turn on the PS4, and reconnect your USB device.